The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the Buzzersystems.com tabletop timer in continuous mode. Now the continuous timer can be connected to any of the Buzzersystems.com buzzer lockout systems. For the sake of demonstration, we're going to go ahead and show it in use with our traditional system, which is the system with the black boxes that sit in front of each player. But I want to emphasize that this can be used with any of our buzzer systems, ranging from our least expensive to our deluxe system. The continuous tabletop timer it has very bright digits. It can be seen across a large room. Hooking up the tabletop timer is very easy. There are just a few cords that need to be plugged in. This cord right here plugs into the buzzer system. It's important to put the red into the timekeeper and the white into a reset, the power connector, and a cord that goes to the handheld remote. A convenient feature of the tabletop timer is that there are 3 separate presets. There is a preset number 1, 2, and 3. And these are very convenient when you want to use one preset for example, a toss-up question, the second preset for a bonus question, and the third preset for a timeout. And each one of these times can be adjusted by using buttons that are on top of the console that allow you to step through the different times that are available. So you can set these different times to whatever your matches require. The continuous timer compared with the pause timer, the main difference is that the timer continues to run after a player has buzzed in. And this is a very important rule, especially in the state of Illinois. And it's also used in other locations. I'm going to go ahead and show an example of how this works. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and simulate asking a toss-up question. And then all teams have an equal amount of time to answer the question. So the moderator asks a question, and they begin. Now the first player buzzes in, they contemplate their answer, they give their answer, and then even after they've given their answer, it goes to 0. Now if they got the correct answer, we'd press reset. The buzzer system is reset, light goes off, and it reverts back to the toss-up time. The next question is asked. Press the button, counting down. The first player buzzes in. Now this time the player gets the wrong answer. Now the time has gone to 0, but in the state of Illinois the player has at a minimum 3 seconds to answer the question. So we press, instead of pressing reset, we press resume. And as soon as we press resume, the buzzer system will be reset for the team to buzz in, and we want to go immediately to 3. And in this situation, we had 3 seconds for the second person to buzz in. And then we press reset, and we're ready for the next question. A convenient feature of this timer is that it has a handheld remote control that takes care of all of the important controls on the top panel. We can reset the timer. We can select the different timers for different types of competition. And at any point, we can start the question. Player can buzz in. We can resume. And after we've asked a toss-up question, we can press the timer select button to switch to our bonus time mode, or if necessary, to a timeout mode. And that's how our continuous timer works.